video. I'm gonna just look at US30 and I'm gonna give you guys my buys for the week on it. Start off on the daily. So on the daily, it looked like it was gonna keep pushing up, and now it's kind of moving a little sideways now. And then I know CPI was this morning, so that took an effect on it. But let's look at what time that was exactly. CPI. When the dollar goes down, US30 goes up. So let's look at the dollar index. Yep. That's something I drew a while ago. Don't mind that, because as you can see, it ain't even happened. But yeah, for US30, that's what I was thinking was gonna happen. So the 4 hours, look at it. So I thought when it got to this point, it was just gonna start, see I got, you see I got mine. Position out, a short position out. So I thought it was about, let me show y'all what I thought it was about to do. Since it was in a steep uptrend. Here's my arrow. Here's my arrow. Okay. Thought it was gonna break through this and come down. And come back here and then just shoot down. But instead, broke through the zone. Now it's moving a little choppy. A little choppy. Yeah. And from what I see, it looks like it's just gonna keep pushing up. So if we go on the daily right here, put a little line of reference right about there. So let's say, hypothetically, let's say if it does keep pushing up, which I don't think it will. I don't think it's gonna keep pushing up. I think this is gonna take over and it's gonna push back down. But just in case, get out my long position tool. Right there. 1 to 3. Excuse me. But the thing is, I don't think it's gonna go that far. Might push up a little more because of all this right here, CPI and all that. And then look more FOMC tomorrow. And plus all this. So whatever this makes out to be, and whatever they talk about in these meetings, we might have to watch it. So whatever they talk about in these meetings, I'm gonna have to pay attention to that. And then that's how we're gonna gauge if it's really gonna go up or down or keep going sideways as it is. And let me just You know what? I'm gonna do that next video. Next video, I'm gonna clear all of this, and I'm gonna pot it up and show y'all what every line means. Well, all of these are, I know it's a lot right now because I had this up for a minute. Well, I had all these lines up for a minute. So, and all of these are pretty much just points of reference for me. Right there, right there. And, yeah. The only thing is, see this reference right here? It might actually come down and touch that line, and if it does, let me plot it out. So if it does actually come touch this blue line right here, as it looks like it's shooting down. If it does touch that line, it might actually come up here to this zone right here. I'm not too sure. I'm not too confident with that. But I know when the dollar goes down, US30 goes up. So if the dollar touches that line, then most likely US30 is gonna touch this line, and hopefully it'll break through the zone. Let me see. Let me show y'all with the arrow exactly what I want. So what I wanted to do right here is to come up, break through the zone, retest right about here. Give me a clear cut confirmation, and then we'll take it up. But we gotta be aware of this, all of this right here. All of the CPI numbers are below the previous and the forecast, so excuse me. That's probably why they got this weird like fake out right here. Or you wouldn't really call it a fake out. Let me see. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's look at it. Okay. 30. Yeah, all about the same, so. Actually, if we were really aggressive, 30 minute could go like this right here. If tomorrow is gonna be crazy. Actually, if we get a signal right here, good. A little breathing room right there. And then that could be another trade. And also, if I wanted to, could go, it's gonna take probably a couple weeks, but if I want to, I'm gonna get 2,600 pips. Easier said than done though, because it will literally take probably 3 weeks for this to actually play through. Maybe 2 if we're lucky. But it all depends on this right here, and then also all of this right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm looking at for US30 for this week. Let's go back to the daily and just go over it one more time. You see why we marked that zone? Because on the daily, that's a previous high, and it looks like I thought it was about to come down this way. Like, let's go down to 4 hours where I drew it. So I thought it was about to come down this way after breaking that trend line right there, but sadly it didn't. But it's always another trade, so let's go up here. And now we're just gonna wait for it to come up here retest this zone and go up and touch that. But if anything, we'll switch back to looking for sells, and then we'll go back down. And that's pretty much it, and that's pretty much all I'm looking for. All right, y'all.